It's what?
What? This is not soda. This is tap water with Mrs. Butterworth's syrup in it. Like what the
Same
hell?
thing.
No, it's not. This is disgusting.
When you ain't got money, you gotta bootleg your own shit.
This is so nasty.
You ain't never made soda at home before?
No, this is not soda.
You get the carbonated water and the maple syrup, and then boom, it's the same thing.
Water. This is bullshit, man.
Well, who's struggling? You and me. So you should be used to this shit, man. Make your own soda at home. It's the same thing. You can use your imagination.
This is for pancakes, not for...
You get seltzer water and you get maple syrup. Boom, soda. Homemade soda. Calm the fuck down. If you can't afford it, you make it. So it is what it is.
I've heard of homemade iced tea, homemade Kool-Aid, homemade juice, but not homemade soda. This is so cheap. I'm just disappointed in you. You are cheap.
You better get on the wave. I don't know why you don't understand the difference between cheap and broke. We're broke. We're not cheap. We are broke. We can't afford the shit. Ain't like we got the money and can't afford to get it. We don't have the money. We ain't got it. So we make it. Deal. Like I was trying to say, it's been a while since we've seen anything from the OGs at Oddest of the Odd. Last thing we watched was the crazy Silent Hills in Real Life Part 2.
Oh.
Deal. It is what it is. You better get used to it. So, they came out with another joint called, I think it's the Bloodiest Nerf Warbat or something like that. The way they do things, like they push the limit. They go above and beyond. Right. So when it says bloodiest,
it's gonna be bloody.
It's gonna be that real shit. Cause they don't fuck around.
The things that they make and create are as good as this homemade soda is nasty. And that says a lot about what they do.
What kind of comparison?
This is really nasty. As I'm comparing their greatness to your nastiness. Your nastiness is up here.
That don't make no damn sense. That's the stupidest comparison ever. Why you keep drinking it?
I'm thirsty.
Why didn't stop bitching? Damn. Let's check it out.
I like what they do.
Hell yeah, everybody do.
I don't like what you make though.
M-Strike Recon CS6, the blaster you can customize for any mission. For multi-target missions, the 6 dart quick-fire clip gives you extra firepower. And for long-range missions, whip up the sight to nail your
That's a soda.
Oh shit!
What the fuck? Oh.
Black guy died first? Yeah, for real. Like, oh shit, this shit is real.
Kill the young ones.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Holy fuck!
Damn! Homemade juggernauts too. Damn! 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 Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! 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 Oh, okay. Oh shit! Oh, okay! Damn!
PX23.
Yeah!
Who the fuck's that guy? Yeah. Oh, this Nerf's making me cold. We fucked everybody up.
Oh my god. Yeah, the young boy.
And then threw him. And threw him. He's still alive. Damn!
Stop that car!
Damn, what the fuck? Jesus! Damn! He dead as fuck.
Oh shit.
Damn! He dead already, yo! God damn, what he doing? What the fuck?
Holy fuck! That escalated quickly! I think it's time to go home, guys.
Yeah.
That's how y'all play on the regular? Jesus Christ.
It's so fun. I fucking hit one with a car.
You did. Shit.
Wait, did you get shot? I don't think so. No, I got shot in the dick.
Fuck!
Oh, fuck.
We forgot about Kyle.
You motherfuckers thought you were gonna nerf without me?
Yeah, we forgot about you, you greasy bastard. Greasy.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck! Guns, where are you? I need ammo!
He got ammo. Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit. Yo. Super Saiyan was in the fucking wall. Oh, shit.
Head in the wall, body in the back.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, man.
That wasn't fucking fair, bud!
Oh, shit.
Oh gosh. Well, damn.
The music from Transformers.
Yeah!
Damn.
No!
Damn, no, not the dog.
Yo, dude, put the pog down. You call me useless!
Aww.
What kind of shit is
Poor
that?
dog. Dog, now why am I in this shit?
Useless! Yeah, I know. You're not useless all the time. But you need to put Frank down now. How useless would you be without your fucking... No! 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 Frank!
Rip the Frank.
It was an accident! The nerf gun just went off, man! I didn't mean to, I swear!
Oh.
No.
What is that?
Modulus Chaisson! No!
Oh. Damn.
Yo. How is he still alive?
These motherfuckers immortal. Uh-oh. Damn.
I swear it wasn't me. I did not do it. You need to calm down and just chill the fuck out, alright, bud? What? I'm gonna anyway.
Well,
Fuck.
Woo, damn. Damn.
well, damn.
Jesus. Damn. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh, he's super dead. They just fucking each other up for no reason. Damn. Uh-oh.
I thought he died.
Everybody died. They came right back. Look at that scene from Call of Duty right there.
I'm sorry, I called you useless. I don't even know what useless means. Sometimes brothers fight, but the real fight lies across the ocean, where those kangaroo fucking cunts live.
Call of Duty.
Oh shit! Is that?
Oh shit!
We're coming for you, Ronnie.
Oh, something out, huh? Go fuck yourself.
Oh my gosh!
Yo, I want to see that. I want to see that. I want to see that. And put me in that shit. I want to see that, yo. I want to see that. That's crazy. Why are you still drinking it? Yo. This shit was crazy, man. This shit was crazy.
Why'd they have to show the scene of him running past his dog while he was taking the shit? The bug looking like, oh, some bullshit.
Look, why I'm on camera right now?
Okay.
Turn the camera off. He's some crazy motherfuckers, man.
Yo, that fight against Ronald, oh my gosh.
Yo, I really, really want to see that shit. I really want to fucking see that shit. And put me in that shit too.
No.
I mean, I'd be expendable nigga number one because you know what I mean, I'd be the most important of the expendable niggas. But you know what I mean, put me in that shit. Like you know what I mean, I'm willing to die for the cause.
What cause is that?
To be in the video. What cause you think it is?
Well, I don't think he would waste film, time, conversation.
You're projecting again. You're projecting again. So drink your bootleg soda and keep that shit over there. Stop projecting. Keep that negativity over there. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I shine on film. Alright? I'm good. Shit was flames though. That was a crazy ass battle. Niggas done died 20 times and came right back at T1000. Like bop bop, stomach gone, like got right back up like, well fuck that. You think I'm dead? Bop bop. Like kids died. Everybody died. They came right back. They died like 30 times, yo.
Was I wrong for laughing when he hit the little boy with the car?
Yeah, no, that shit was hilarious, yo. That shit was hilarious. I mean, and if that's the case, then we should be wrong for him holding the boy up and while he's getting shot and tossing him around like he's garbage. Like held him like a rag doll and shit. Human shields. Why are you still drinking it? You don't learn from your mistakes, do you? If you don't deal, then stop complaining. These niggas always do a great job though. Like they deserve all the attention that's coming to them.
You do.
Cause when they do videos, they go above and beyond. Like they do it for real. They don't cut corners. Like they do the shit. Like you can see in every single video they do. They do this shit for real, yo. They do this shit for real. So if you're not subscribed to Honest of the Odd already, the fuck are you doing, son? Make sure you go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button. Stop watching this video. Subscribe to them niggas. Cause they go above and beyond, yo.
Now see, I would love to film with them because they might actually have real food and soda. So I like to just be on set.
No, the thing is like when you film with them, you won't be you won't be a casualty. Like you won't die during filming on the set. You won't, like when you film with Rocka, there's a chance you might actually die for real in real life.
You might never come back home.
You might actually die. You go over to Australia, you never come back. You film with Honest to the Eye, you at least you may lose an arm or something, but you alive. You'll come back. Like damn, that's some crazy ass filming. I ain't got my arm, but I'm good. I'm still alive.
With Rocka, you lose a life.
Yeah, you might, you know what I mean, you might have to write that will before you go down there. But I want to see that fight though, cause that's gonna be a crazy ass fight. It's gonna be a crazy ass fight, son.
Oh shit! Look! Same shit.
There she is.
Same exact shit.
Hella. Yeah, she a fucking beast. She ain't fucking around. Oh shit. Got Zeppelin and shit?